Every semantic category in SV Search is labeled in English, but is defined across 12 languages, making it easy to search across English, German, Spanish, Italian, French, Portuguese, Russian, Arabic, Simplified Chinese, Korean, Japanese, and Czech, and to combine results from multiple languages. For example, here are results in French from a recent search. If you don't understand the language, use our Smart Summaries feature to get a summary in English. Or use Google Translate on the whole SV Search page in the language you prefer. For more videos and tutorials, visit our YouTube page or our homepage at semantic-visions.com.